There it is, my homemade dumpling curry. And after watching this video, you'll know exactly how to make it. To make the dough, I added 3 cups of flour into a bowl, 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I mixed it into the flour using a knife. Then I added 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of yeast, just to enhance the flavor and the color and to just make it nice and fluffy. And I mix it using a knife. Then I added 1 tablespoon of oil, then water. Knead the dough until it's right. Leave it to rise. For the curry, add oil, 2 chopped onions, 2 stock cubes, any flavor that you like, and stir. Stir until the stock is broken down. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of curry powder and paprika. Then stir. Add the chopped tomatoes, stir. Add the chopped green peppers, green chilies and some chopped baby carrots, stir. Add some chili sauce. Add the dumplings into the pot and allow them to start expanding. The first batch is now done. Now when you add your next batch, the soup would have dissolved a bit, so make sure to add more water and add some more curry powder and paprika, since the water would have diluted some of the spices. Once you finish your last batch, add all of the dumplings into the pot and add any type of spice to the dumplings and allow them to shimmer in that soup for about 1 minute. And voila, they're all done. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and share it with anyone who might find it to be helpful. Make sure to subscribe for some different types of videos every week. We don't stick to the same videos here. I get bored easily.